Muhammad was a murderer.
No, he was
He
not.
was a thief. He was a raider. He married a 9-year-old and had a 6-year-old and had relations with her when she was 9.
Are you done?
Really?
Are you done with your question?
I'm just saying, and I'm being honest, and I'm not trying to attack
no
you
problem.
or your religion.
First thing, you said Muhammad was a murderer. Who did he murder?
Well, he would start wars.
Who did he murder?
Start wars.
Hold on, Jose. We're being honest now.
Starting war, you're murdering people.
Hold on, Jose. What war did he start?
He started many wars.
What war? Name one.
I don't know.
So you don't know.
Right.
Have you studied it?
A little bit, not a whole lot.
Yeah, but apparently not, because you can't name a
he would
single
go
war.
raid. He would go
Okay,
raid.
he did not raid
Let me
any.
ask you a
Hold on, no, Jose.
Okay.
You made some statement, and if you're honest, you're going to back him up with facts.
Yes, yes.
Where did he raid?
Oh, he would raid. And
He would raid who? What tribe?
Other
What place?
tribes.
Which tribe? Name
I
one.
have no idea.
That's a lie. That's absolutely false.
Okay.
I taught the life of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. I'll give you a link with evidences that show you from historic books his life. He never murdered anybody. He never raided anybody. Yes, he fought wars, but if you look at those wars like Badr, he did not initiate it. Uhud, he did not initiate it. Khandak, he did not initiate. Those were when people were attacking him. So if somebody attacks you, are you going to defend yourself?
Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
He never stole anything from anyone, right?